International Yoga Day was widely observed across Manipur today under the supervision of National River Conservation Directorate, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India. Directorate of Environment and Climate Change Manipur partnered with Numbul River Development Organization organized the events at Bishum Oinam Lekai, Nauremthong and Iroishemba. Speaking at the gathering, Director of Environment and Climate Change Dr. T. Brajakumar warned that excessive human interference with nature has severely threatened the survival of future generations. He urged everyone to shed selfish mindsets and revive the traditional harmony where humans coexisted closely with birds, trees, and the surrounding environment. He also highlighted the profound physical and mental health benefits of regular yoga practice. Brajakumar noted that yoga effectively cures bodily ailments, eases mental stress, and builds immunity against various diseases. The director appealed to the public to dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to yoga for a healthy body. He added that yoga goes hand in hand with collective responsibility to restore and preserve the ecological balance of the planet.
Tungi laiba generation sing lekhum rekta bagi adum awam urapasagi ekoi leiba ngasi himneba me pungkidimak sigi wakhalon se change to thokanda koi hanagi leiba koi culture thaini ahalaman leramba planet ka leminrakpa nature ka leminrakpa uwaga siwa wari sanada lerakpa kulei do leidina bagi pandam dai kone yoga se amuna na hung nisang ngaraga ahalaman singna kamdona nungju sada amade aing matamna khanga
Environment and Climate Change Officer T.H. Alexander reiterated that maintaining pristine river systems is crucial for ensuring a disease-free and healthy society. He stated that practicing yoga not only sharpens mental clarity and intellectual faculties, but also plays a pivotal role in shielding the body from ailments.
Department of Environment Climate Change ka kusam na duna Numbul Turian da leiba apam punamang asi luna na thambada hairiba area asida soba thokdang lubiriba organization sing asiga loinana ghat par yoga and meditation haiba asigi thorum asiga makapona turen mapan se yoga ki masana si pamthok sabani masigi maruiba maramdi Turian luna na thambada loinana ekoi hakchang hanba sisu yamna maru oi yoga sanaba matamda hakchang Nariba Haksang, Ana, Punamaksu Panmangami, Amadi, Hansan Hande, Haibagi, Wakalona Sit Hamagalana, Korean Mapal Luna, Sambada, Mia Punamasu Mating Pangdim.